Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Glow in the Dark is probably one of the most fascinating and versatile products you can find, offering a unique way to add a touch of magic and functionality to your life. Whether you're looking to enhance your home decor, create a fun atmosphere for parties, or even add a safety element to pathways and emergency situations. Imagine the possibilities of objects that come alive with light when the sun goes down, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences with their ethereal luminescence. Number 5. PartySticks 100 PK Glow Sticks. Get ready to illuminate your celebration with our vibrant glow sticks. This pack includes 100 easy-to-activate sticks and connectors that provide hours of fun. Don't let water stop the party. These glow sticks are waterproof, non-leaking, and non-toxic, making them perfect for pool parties, bath time, or any event. Simply snap and shake to activate their brilliant glow. They provide a bright light for 10 to 14 hours, ensuring the fun lasts all night long. Designed with safety in mind, these glow sticks are non-toxic and non-leaking. They are a safe and fun choice for kids and adults alike. From Halloween to birthdays and everything in between, these ultra-bright glow sticks are the perfect addition to any holiday or party. What we like? This pack offers a huge quantity of glow sticks for any event. They are waterproof, making them perfect for pool parties or even bath time fun. If you're planning a large gathering or need decorations that can withstand water, this is the choice for you. What people say. Upon activation, they emit a vibrant and eye-catching light that lasts for several hours, typically around 8 to 12 hours, depending on conditions. Activating the glow sticks is simple. Just bend them until you hear a crack, and shake them gently to mix the chemicals. The assortment includes both bracelets and necklaces, making it a versatile option for various occasions. Number 4. GlowCity Glow in the Dark Basketball. Introducing the GlowCity Basketball, designed to bring excitement to your nighttime games. It's perfect for players of all ages, from kids to adults. Enjoy up to 30 hours of playtime with its built-in LED lights. This ball is ready for extended fun, day or night. Simply bounce it to activate the glow. It lights up automatically when you play and turns off when you stop, saving battery life. Crafted with a sturdy rubber exterior, it's built to withstand both indoor and outdoor play. The water-resistant design protects the internal lights. Getting started is simple. It comes with pre-installed batteries and instructions. Just inflate it and you're ready to shoot hoops. Looking for an exciting gift? This light-up ball is a fantastic present for kids and teens, guaranteed to be a hit for birthdays and any occasion. What we like? Experience extended playtime with up to 30 hours of glow. It lights up with every bounce, perfect for spontaneous games. If you're looking for an exciting outdoor activity that lasts and is durable enough for rough play, this is the ultimate pick. What people say. The ball uses 2 internal LEDs that activate on impact. Every bounce or dribble lights it up with a bright glow, red in my case. The ball itself is a standard size 7 with a good grip, so it performs well for actual gameplay. I didn't notice any difference in weight or balance compared to a regular basketball. This ball is super cool, brightly lit, and makes it possible to play basketball well after the sun goes down. Number 3. Great Explorations Wonder Star Super Kit. Transform your room into a magical night sky with our glow-in-the-dark stars. This super kit brings the wonder of the universe right to your ceiling. You'll get 150 reusable stars in 4 different sizes, perfect for creating any celestial scene you can imagine. They're easy to apply with the included adhesive putty. Unleash your creativity and build an entire galaxy on your walls and ceiling. It's a fun way to decorate any space and spark imagination. Our stars shine brighter and longer than others, thanks to our special Glominite formula. Experience a truly luminous display. Included is a constellation chart to help you identify and create real star patterns. It's a fantastic tool for learning about astronomy. Ideal for bedrooms, classrooms, or playrooms, these stars add a touch of magic and wonder. They're perfect for sparking curiosity and learning. What we like? Transform any room into a starry night sky with this large set of 150 stars. They are reusable, offering endless decorating possibilities. If you want to create a magical and educational atmosphere in a bedroom or playroom, this kit is ideal for sparking imagination. What people say. The stars shine bright for hours with only a few seconds of exposure. Setup is a breeze. Overall it took maybe an hour for me, one person, to set up all of the stars. The putty that is included works perfectly. The quality is great. The stars are not flimsy or cheap, they have a nice build and seem to be durable. Number 2. 200 PCS glow-in-the-dark stars with moon. Bring the magic of the night sky indoors with our glow-in-the-dark stars and moon set. It's an easy way to create a realistic and enchanting starry scene. This set includes 200 ultra-bright 3D stars and a bonus moon. Just expose them to light and they'll shine for hours, creating a captivating night sky. Made from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, these decorations are safe and built to last. They provide a secure and long-lasting experience for children aged 4 to 12. Ideal for bedrooms and playrooms, these glowing stars are great for everyday decor, parties, holidays, or as fun goodie bag fillers. Let your child's imagination soar as they explore the galaxy from their own bed. These luminous decorations add value as kids' room decor and party favors. Simply clean the surface, apply the stickers with the included putty, and recharge them with light daily. They are designed for years of glowing enjoyment. What we like? Get a complete galaxy with 200 ultra-bright 3D stars and a bonus moon. Made from safe, non-toxic plastic, they provide a realistic night sky. If you're decorating a child's room and want a vibrant, long-lasting, and safe celestial display, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The glow is bright and lasts for hours. It's a fun addition to kids' rooms, they love seeing it glow at night. The glow effect is really impressive, especially after being exposed to light for a short period. Number 1. Litake UV Black Lights for Glow Party. Introducing the Litake UV Black Lights, designed to transform any gathering into a vibrant glow party. These lights offer a multitude of modes and effects to create a truly memorable atmosphere. Experience the magic of our enhanced 6W UV LED black light. It makes fluorescent materials come alive, creating stunning glow-in-the-dark effects perfect for any celebration. Let the music move you. This light features a powerful sound-activated sensor, syncing its dazzling light show to the rhythm of your party. It's ideal for a wide range of events. Take full command of your lighting experience with the included remote control. Easily switch between modes, adjust speeds, and set the perfect mood without leaving your spot. Designed for convenience, this light is plug-and-play ready. Its compact size and flexible tripod allow for easy placement, ensuring a brilliant stage lighting effect wherever you need it. From Halloween and birthdays to home decorations and DJ sets, these versatile lights are perfect for any event. Create an unforgettable black party atmosphere that will impress all your guests. What we like? This powerful UV black light is designed to make everything glow. With multiple modes and sound activation, it brings any party to life. If you're hosting a glow party and want to create a dynamic, immersive atmosphere that reacts to music, this light is essential. What people say. These are really nice little lights. They light up a very large area, and they respond really well to music. This LED comes very close to that actual fluorescent black light tube. This machine has 3 awesome music modes. Mode 3 is great for faster music, 1 and 2 for slower music. You can control the light show at the tap of a button. There is a burst mode, which you can control the speed of in the bottom right. Plus 7 different light programs. It also has a removable mounting bracket. Very useful for mounting to a canopy with a simple plastic clamp. Overall very bright. They hurt to look at them when the lights are off. They are very small and compact, however they light up the whole room, giving it a club feel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.